Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So tomorrow we are heading to Goa, and just one day before it snowed so much and I was the most happiest kid ever. And here we go, off to Goa. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so now, because I'm gonna share all the traditional ceremonies that take place before a big fat Goan wedding. So explored around the Bahrain airport as we had a connecting flight, discovered all the different types of scents. And this one happened to be my favorite. Oh, and I cannot forget this robot at the Jamie Delhi's restaurant counter. I haven't seen these versions of Kit Kat anywhere, but I was surprised to see the strawberry flavored one and the matcha one. I wonder how they taste, but something interesting. Enjoyed some toasty and tea at the airport and then headed to catch a second flight to Goa. So this time we booked Gulf Airways, and their in-flight services were outstanding. And here we are, finally reached home sweet home, Goa. Let me take you through our garden. Can you spot the baby jackfruit? And not forgetting our homegrown peppercorns, a batch of fresh papayas, bananas, and chicos. I'm sure you all must be reliving your childhood memories of Goa. If you have any specific childhood memories to share, then please do leave your comments down below. Brewed some hot tea with homegrown lemongrass, and that feeling just hits different. Enjoyed some delicious snacks of those bolinas, bath and jujubes. Rested for a while and then headed to the LM Reborn salon in Panjim to get a makeover, and I loved the hair color. And here begins the prep of the big fat Goan wedding, starting with the decor. Get subscribing now and stay tuned for all the Goa travel vlog series. Until then, take care and stay safe.